Are you pouring effort and money into your website only to watch visitors leave without buying? You're not alone, most business owners face this. The problem isn't always your product or design, it's a lack of a clear path for visitors. Imagine a store with no signs or staff. Customers wander, get lost, and walk out. Your website is the same. Without guidance, people leave. You need a system that leads visitors step by step from curiosity to purchase. The solution isn't a bigger budget or a total redesign, it's a strategy. That strategy is called a sales funnel. A sales funnel gives you control over the customer journey. It builds trust, shows value, and makes buying easy. With a sales funnel, you stop losing potential customers and start turning traffic into real sales. Ready to fix your leaky bucket? Let's dive in. Here's how a sales funnel transforms your results. What is a sales funnel? Think of it as a guided journey for your customers. At the top, lots of people discover your brand through your website, social media, or ads. As they move down, some leave, but those who stay become more interested. The funnel guides them step by step from first hearing about you to making a purchase, and beyond. It's about building trust and providing the right info at the right time. You wouldn't propose on a first date, don't expect a sale on a first visit. The funnel lets you introduce yourself, show you understand their needs, and demonstrate value before asking for the sale. Without a funnel, your marketing is random and unpredictable. With one, every piece of content and every call to action has a purpose. This structure turns your website into a powerful sales machine. Now let's see how you can build this journey for your business. So, how do you build an effective sales funnel? Video is the most powerful tool, but it used to be expensive and complicated. Today, AI video tools have changed everything. You don't need cameras, microphones, or editing skills. AI can turn simple text into professional videos, complete with avatars, voiceovers, and stock footage. This levels the playing field for small businesses. Now, you can create engaging video content for every stage of your funnel, quickly and affordably. Imagine daily social ads, product explainers, or personalized thank you videos, all made in minutes. Video grabs attention, builds trust, and moves people through your funnel faster. AI video isn't just easier. It makes your entire sales process more effective. Let's break down how to use AI video at every funnel stage. Here's how AI video supercharges each step of your sales funnel. Awareness? Use AI to create short, eye-catching videos for social media that introduce your brand and spark curiosity. Interest. When visitors click through, nurture them with AI-generated explainer videos and answers to common questions. Desire. Build excitement with product demos and video testimonials. Just turn written reviews into compelling video stories. Action. Make buying easy with simple videos that guide customers through checkout or address last-minute concerns. Each video is quick to make, on-brand, and tailored to your audience. The result? More engagement, fewer drop-offs, and higher conversions. AI video lets you deliver the right message at the right time every time, but the journey doesn't end at the sale. Let's talk about loyalty. The final stage is loyalty, turning buyers into lifelong fans. With AI, send personalized thank you videos that make customers feel valued. Create onboarding tutorials to help them get the most from your product. Happy customers are more likely to buy again and refer others. AI video makes this easy, affordable, and scalable. What once took weeks and big budgets now takes hours and pocket change. Focus on running your business while AI handles your video content. The tools are here, don't let potential customers slip away. Build your sales funnel with AI video and watch your business grow. Download our free AI video funnel blueprint to get started. Follow us for more actionable marketing tips.